I'm making a red, white, and blue dip for 4th of July. What I need is my cake mix, my cream cheese. Now your cream cheese needs to be softened. Mine isn't, so I'm gonna throw it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. And I've got my cake mix here. Recipe is in the description below. I have my whipped topping here. Okay, then the recipe calls for sprinkles. Everybody loves sprinkles. Sprinkles make the world a better place. Then sprinkle a few sprinkles on top. And then we're going to serve this with either strawberries or graham crackers to dip. Oh my goodness. Ugh, yum. I love cream cheese.